A feature that makes Spark unique is our built-in reward tracker. We at Spark created this platform with students in mind. We wanted to give parents and teachers a tool to empower their students and teach self-motivation. The rewards feature, along with our goal assignment type and our student portal, were created with this purpose in mind. Before I dive into demonstrating the rewards feature, let me give you a little personal testimony. I'm a co-founder of Spark and the Chief Product Officer. As such, I've been using Spark from the very beginning for my 2 homeschooled kids, and I also use it for the class I teach at my friend's micro school. Using Spark, I saw my teen son go from taking until supper time to complete his schoolwork to getting up before 7 a.m. on his own and getting his work done by lunch. He loves the Spark student portal and the independence it gives him to do his work at his own pace and timing. And both my kids have responded extremely well to the rewards feature. I never used rewards in our homeschool before because honestly, they felt too difficult to manage. However, using this built-in feature in Spark is extremely easy. Spark keeps track of my kids' points and enables me to create a reward store that's tailored to our family. My kids work hard to earn the more expensive rewards, such as eating out with a friend or taking a day off of school. It takes them weeks or months to achieve these, but this is teaching them delayed gratification and that hard work is rewarded. Let's dive into this feature. First of all, the reward feature only works if you assign points to your assignments. When you create an assignment or a goal, there will be a reward field that you'll need to fill out. This is where you'll assign a point value to the assignment or the goal. I usually give assignments a value between 5 and 10 points, maybe more, depending on its difficulty and time requirement. You'll want to make sure your assignment points are commensurate with the reward values you create later. So for example, you don't want your students to be earning enough points every day to buy a large reward like a day off of school. But on the flip side, if you have a smaller daily reward for your students, you'll want to make sure they can earn enough points in one day to purchase it. Next, you need to set up your rewards store. To do that, go to Rewards and Reward Gallery and start adding new rewards. You can create as many as you wish, and really the sky's the limit. Create rewards that your students will get excited about. You might even consider asking them for ideas, but also create rewards that you are actually willing to fulfill. An empty promise will not be motivating for your students, and you also don't want rewards to become a burden. So an example of a reward might be a juice box at snack time, purchasable for 50 points. You can also add a cool image to this if you wish. Here are some more reward ideas that are actually in use by some of our micro schoolers. We've got a day off of school, as mentioned before. Change your name for a day is a fun and creative idea. Schoolwork in your favorite spot. Kids really respond well to that. No chores for the day. Of course, you can add things like a new item or toy or sticker. Again, be creative with these ideas. Once you've created your reward gallery, a student can view it on his portal. He can go to Rewards and see all of the rewards you've created, and then purchase them if he has enough points. Once a reward has been purchased, that will appear on your dashboard in the student activity tracker for that student under redemptions. Or you can see this in the rewards section under redemptions. This is a list of all of the rewards that have been purchased by students and need to be fulfilled by you. To fulfill it, well, once you've fulfilled the reward, to keep a record of that, click Mark Fulfilled. In the Student Balances section, you can see a record of all of the point transactions that have been made for a student, all of the assignments that they've submitted and received points for, and then all of the rewards that they've purchased. You can fulfill rewards here as well. You can also remove a reward that maybe was purchased by mistake, or you can unfulfill a reward. You can also add or subtract points to your student's balance as needed, or completely reset your student's point balance. Staff within your school can also create and manage their own rewards for their classroom. To do this, go into a classroom and find the rewards section. This is where a teacher can create classroom-specific rewards and keep track of student point balances, just like in the main rewards section. These points are only from the completion of assignments for this specific classroom. A student can also see his different classrooms in his rewards store. He can click into a classroom and view and purchase rewards just within that classroom here. I hope you have fun using the rewards feature and seeing how it can motivate your students. If you have any questions about this feature or other Spark features, see our tutorial videos on YouTube or check out our FAQ. You could also schedule a free live demo by contacting us or from our website.